Yeah. I do them both.
All right. It's rolling. So 3, 2, 1.
Double clackers, because I'm excited about this product. I know ahead of time I'm gonna love it. And this is your famous brand here, and it's orange pineapple apple. Orange pineapple apple. And I'm not gonna bother with the statistics on it, because I know ahead of time how delicious this is gonna be. There again, I guess you maybe have to like these flavors all mixed up together, but I like it just if it was just the orange pineapple, I would like it, and they added the apples, so I wanted to drink it directly out of the big container, but this stuff is, to my taste, just delicious. Health-wise, I've come across opinions that fruit juice and that sort of thing isn't that healthy for you, but it's to the point that I don't get something like this very often, but it's to the point that sometimes you just forget about what the health issues are, just people's opinion anyway. It says it's family farmer owned. How did a big company get to be like that? But I guess that's a good thing. Got a lot of 100% vitamin C, and they're calling it a juice cocktail. This is a half a gallon, and so that's that. There are some ingredients are the real small print, so I don't know if they're sneaking anything in there, but this is absolutely delicious. I give it a 10 out of 10. And I think this is a big company, and this is not the only flavor that they have. It's too bad they didn't have this about 400 years ago or whenever, when all those sailors sailing the boats across the ocean got scurvy, lack of vitamin C. Plenty of vitamin C in this. I think they had to have a barrel of oranges or something like that, and they'd only last so long. But thanks to modern conveniences, you know, there's other ways of getting vitamin C through the vitamin pills or drinking it like this. I don't think I'm going to have any after comments about this that I forgot to do the first time. I'm saying it all. It's delicious, and it's right up there with me. Right up there. So let's not clutter this one up with extraneous comments. Let's just call it a go.